SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to let your iPhone update on its own in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone will periodically need to install new iOS updates that can include new features and fix existing problems on the device. While you can manually install these updates, there's also an option to let the phone install them itself. You can enable this setting by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option, and then you can select Software Update from the top of this menu. Now you just need to choose the Automatic Updates option at the top of this screen, and then you can enable the iOS Updates option under Automatically Download, and also enable the iOS Updates option under Automatically Install. If you would like to let your iPhone automatically install security responses and system files, then you can choose to turn this on as well. I usually have all three of these enabled. Now your iPhone is going to automatically download and install iOS updates when the phone is connected to Wi-Fi and it's plugged into a charger. If you would also like to let your iPhone automatically install app updates, then you can go back to the main settings menu, then scroll down and select App Store, and then you can scroll down and turn on the app updates option under automatic downloads. I already have this turned on in this picture.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.